always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're actually gonna do a how to lace Jordan 3s. I have been debating on making this series where I do a how to lace video every 2 weeks for you guys, followed by a how to style video. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do here. Today I'm gonna show you guys the best ways, or the ways that I personally lace my Jordan 3s. I'm gonna show you on these cool gray 3s, which I am gonna be styling soon, and on the black cements as well. These are kind of beat at this point, but I'm gonna show you guys both of these and then we'll get straight up out the building. So I do have 2 ways that I preferably lace them. I'm gonna show you guys an extra one just in case you're trying to do it that way, you know what I mean? But if you do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Let me know what sneaker you would want me to lace next. It could be a Yeezy 700, it could be Yeezy 700, Jordan 4s, Jordan 11s. There's literally an endless amount of sneakers that I could do how to lace for. Just pick your favorite and I will get to it. But without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So right here I have my little makeshift station. This is where I'm gonna put the sneakers so y'all can see me lace them. So obviously Jordan 3s come laced pretty much to the top. All you want to do is take this dead stock lace out and then just loosen them up a little bit. What you want to do for that is literally pull the string a little bit right here, do the same on the other side and make sure that they're even to a certain extent, and then just even that out throughout the sneaker. So pretty much just spread it out, just go ahead and even it out. When you do this, it kind of gives the sneaker a different like vibe, if that makes sense, because off the rip, just by me loosening it, you can tell that there's not a basketball player wearing these sneakers. Take the little shoe tree out because you're gonna want to get under it. So what you want to do is put your hand in as if you wear a sneaker and push outward just to even out the laces right here. As you can see, they're already better. You can always do this like lazy knot, which is pretty much what a lot of people do. They just do a little bunny ear laces just like that, drag these out a little bit more and then tie it. And this is a simple way that a lot of people use. Personally, I'm not a fan. I just like my laces super loose, so this is not for me. Honestly, this is a really solid way to go ahead and wear it, but I am going to show you guys a different method on the other sneaker. This is super simple. Literally just take the lace out from how it normally comes. For this method, literally all you have to do is take the lace out, loosen it, spread it out through the rest of the sneaker, and then just do a little bunny ear knot. You can always twist this and play with it to make it look how you want. So I would probably wear it something like that. For me, this just isn't the style that I would personally wear it. I'm gonna go ahead and just put this to the side real quick, put it right here for y'all, just so you could keep marinating with that one. For this one, what we're gonna do is once again pull the lace out, and you're gonna want to spread these out all the way. Like almost all the lace is gonna be out. I kind of try to keep it even, but then again, the way that they lace these isn't even from the beginning, so I'm gonna have to fix that. Make sure you spread the laces throughout like I did before. So pretty much just put them all the way out, take the little shoe tree out because you need to do the same treatment, push out right here, and as you can see, they're kind of evened out. That's what you want. What you want to do with the extra lace on this one is put it in through the outside right here and then push it out through the next hole right there, kind of so that it has this mechanism, if that makes sense. And the reason why I do it like this is so that this lace doesn't come undone, which is really annoying when that happens. You're just walking and then this lace is doing this. That's the worst feeling ever. So do the same thing to the other side. You could even do in through the bottom, out through the top, but personally I do it like this. I don't know why, but I just think it looks better. And then do the same shit, loosen them all out, make them even. You're left with this right here, which is pretty much what I would do. You can always go ahead and fix it a little bit, go back in. You can always go back in and just play with the laces a little bit, which is kind of what I do, just to make sure that it's at a point where I feel comfortable enough to just rock them, if that makes sense. So boom, as soon as you put your hand in, it should go ahead and even them out a little bit more. This is kind of how I would wear them. I love the super loose lace though. Maybe this is not for you, but it's definitely how I like wearing them. There's also another way where you just put it in, where instead of having it like this, you go ahead and just literally take it out through the top and just tie the little end. You can always do that as well. That's how I used to do it, but I feel like it just looks so much cleaner when you do it like this. Look at this side versus this side with the little knot. I feel like this is a little bit more tacky than this. So honestly, this is the newer way that I do it. And if you go ahead and look at my black cements, I still have them like this. So I gotta go ahead and change these as well. But as you can see, the more that you wear them, the more the laces will fall into place. For these black cements, I use the same exact method. It's just that when you put your foot in there, like I was showing you guys before, and it spreads the laces laces out, they'll eventually just fall wherever your foot lies, if that makes sense. Don't be concerned if it looks a little bit too sloppy for you, because once you put your foot in, trust me, bro, it'll work out. Shit just always tends to work out. So as you can see right here, we do have two different methods. I did show you guys the little trick for this where you can either tie it or not tie it. I preferably would go for this style of lacing, but like I was saying before, when you lace it this way, it comes out like this technically. Once you start putting your foot in and the laces mold to the way that your foot is, it should go ahead and even them out. That's why I'm not too concerned about how sloppy it looks. I feel like it is a pretty solid way to go ahead and just style your sneakers a little bit different. As you guys saw at the beginning of this video, these look choked up and they just look so much better. I even kind of like this way, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I feel like it's something different than what I do. If you don't like this way, I'm gonna go ahead and just undo this, and there's another method where you could do the factory lace. Literally just put your fingers like this, loop it, and just pull it through the other side, and it pretty much creates like this double knot like that. And a lot of people have been lacing their sneaker like this as well, and like I said, once you put your foot in there, it will even everything out, so don't be worried about that. That's just another little trick that you can also do. Preferably for me though, I would just lace the original bunny ear way, but a little bit looser. It just looks so much cleaner than the way that people lace their sneakers nowadays, because I don't know what people be doing. I low-key like this one more, I'm not gonna lie. I want to see what they look like on feet first though. So those are my little tips and tricks as far as lacing the Jordan 3s go. I did the super loose lace, I did the loose knot lace, which I think is actually pretty sick as well. If you guys enjoyed this video, man, slap a like on it down below. Obviously I want to show you guys an on feet look of these laces and the way that I lace them. I may leave them just like this for the how to style video, just so you guys can get a little perspective of what it's going to look like. But if you did enjoy this one, man, slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Let me know what pair of sneakers you would like me to lace in the next addition to this series, if that makes sense. It could be a Yeezy, it could be a Jordan, I could do my Air Force Ones, whatever y'all want, just let me know down below and I might make your pick the next one that I do. But with all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm on to this on feet part.
Never see the sun, always see the night. Yeah. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel.